Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome to our writing lesson. Today, we practice basic verbs and he, she, it, plus verb with S through writing.
Great. Writing helps me remember the words.
Yes, you will listen, write, and make simple sentences. First activity. Listen and write. You listen to a short text and write the words you hear. Second activity. Make a sentence. You use given words to create your own simple sentences.
I am ready to write.
Keep your pencil ready. And let's begin with listen and write. Listen and write. This is a dictation. I will read a text aloud, and you write what you hear.
So I listen first and then write.
Exactly. Do not worry about every word at first. Step 1. Listen to the whole text. First, listen to the complete text to understand the general idea. Step 2. Write what you hear. During the dictation, write the words and sentences you hear. Step 3. Check and correct. After writing, compare your text with the original and correct mistakes.
I will listen carefully.
Good. Now relax, listen, and get ready for the dictation. Lena walks to school in the morning. She opens her book and reads one page. Her brother Tom plays in the park. He runs, jumps, and laughs. At night, the cat sleeps on a chair. It drinks water and looks at the door. Good first listening. Now I will read the text slowly, piece by piece. Nexo, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Great. Listen and write now. Lena walks to school in the morning. She opens her book. And reads one page. Her brother Tom plays in the park. He runs, jumps, and laughs. At night, the cat sleeps on a chair. It drinks water. and looks at the door. Well done, everyone. Nexo, how was it?
It was good, but some words were fast.
That is normal. Now compare your writing with the original text and correct your mistakes. Make a sentence. Now we will build 6 sentences. Use one main word for each sentence. You can use the 20 helper words if you want. Try to use he, she, it plus verb with s when it fits.
I can make short sentences.
First, see an example. We will listen to Nexo do the exercise so you have a clear model. Second, make your sentences. You create your own sentences with the main words and the helper words. Nexo, are you ready?
Yes, let's make sentences. She eats an apple. Drink. He drinks water. Sleep. The cat sleeps on the chair. Run. He runs in the park. Read. She reads a book. Write. He writes a short sentence.
Nice work, Nexo. Your sentences are clear.
Thank you. Now it is the student's turn.
Yes. Pause the video and complete the 6 sentences in your notebook. Good job. Good job. You completed a writing lesson with dictation and sentence practice. You practiced basic verbs and he, she, it plus verb with s in your writing. Great work today. See you in the next writing lesson.